Let's take a few minutes to enjoy a slow look at the painting A Brisk Breeze by the Dutch artist Willem van de Velde the Younger. Let's start by finding a comfortable position in your chair. You can gently move your body around until you find a position which anchors you. Slowly let your body be still. Place your feet firmly on the floor. Imagine that they are resting on the sand of the beach. Stretch out your toes. Is the sand soft and dry and fluffy? Or is it wet and smooth? Let your toes be still, your feet heavy on the ground, your legs resting gently on the base of your chair. Place your hands on your knees. Now, take a big, deep breath in through your nose and slowly and gently breathe out through your mouth. Take another deep breath in. Imagine a wave swelling and rising, and breathe out through your mouth, that wave breaking and dwindling. One last time. A deep breath in, the wave grows and grows, and out, the wave crashes down and disappears. Now focus your attention on the painting. Let your eyes sail up to the dark clouds looming over this seascape. Travel down through the blue skies and clouds which change from silver grey to cotton white. Is it warmer here? Breathe in that ocean breeze, fresh air laced with salt. There are a fleet of boats voyaging across the waves. Notice the sails billowing in the wind. Where are they going? Let's look at the boat in the foreground. There's a figure here starting to hoist up a sail. Their arms are stretched upwards, holding the heavy cloth. Do you think it's easy for them to stand on the deck of the boat? The waves beneath them look choppy. Have they dropped an anchor to hold the boat in place for a moment? When the sea of life is turbulent, how do we anchor ourselves? How can we steady ourselves to be able to move forward, to hoist up the sail and continue on our journey? Perhaps we take a moment, just like this one, to plant our feet on the floor and take deep breaths, anchoring ourselves to enjoy the calm, the break in the storm, even if it's just for a moment, like a brisk breeze moving across the ocean.